Dave here with Limitless Brave. For the past 16 years, I've been mentoring men to help them shift their mindsets so they can shift their world. Helping men with their dating lives, their marriages, their divorces, as well as their business and career. And of course, living an awesome lifestyle. And everybody's favorite, making more money. If you're interested in the work that I do, the upcoming workshops, and my Limitless Brave private reserve community, check out the description down below. There's links down there. And of course, there's the masculine Gravitas quiz as well, which helps you check where you're sitting within the 7 pillars of masculinity, those being strength, honor, independence, provider, bravery, leadership, and protector. It's a fun quiz to take. Go check it out. And of course, join the Limitless Brave private reserve community. It's free to join right now. It won't be in the future, but right now it is free to join. 140 guys in there. Most of them are very active. Most of them come to workshops together, come to meetups together, do some of my virtual workshops together. So a really solid community of guys within Limitless Brave. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about workshops and why they're so important. Well, one thing I want to say right off the bat, there's a ton of workshops out there. There's a ton of coaches, but so many of them are very good at marketing their services, but very poor at actually getting you the results you're looking for when it comes to what you're looking to change in your life. And I've been doing this a long time, and the guys that work with me continuously, they know they're going to get results. They get results, and that's why they keep coming back. That's why they stay within the Limitless Brave ecosystem and, just live a great life. So if you're a guy who's considering stepping into the world of personal development, the world of masculine growth, masculine embodiment, you're interested in shadow work, the deep subconscious mind, dating, and improving all of those things, as well as your mindset around business and your career, climbing that corporate ladder, making more money, then check out the work that I do. I focus on a lot of areas. And the reason I focus on a lot of areas is because I have a lot of experience in all the areas that I coach in. I don't coach in any area that I don't have experience in. So it seems like a lot of offerings, but at the end of the day, there's a lot of translation between all the offerings that I have. And we just dial in our focus on whatever area you want to work in, whether it's dating, embodiment, shadow work, your businesses, your careers, making more money, building a social circle, focusing on your relationships, things like that. I can help you with all that, guys. I've been through it all. I've done a lot of stuff. I've built a lot of businesses. I've had some amazing experiences in my life. So I'm not a young guy, even though I look young. I've got a lot of life experience, a tremendous amount. More than most people have, I should say that. And I feel that I'm an excellent guide for a lot of men, excellent mentor for a lot of men. And the men that come through the door have so many different amazing careers, so many different amazing businesses, life goals, and relationships, marriages. Of course, there's always divorce that happens, and I can help you through that as well. It's important to get into a workshop. It's really important for you because most men don't realize that they're lacking a masculine community until they join one, until they start feeling the support of a good quality group of men having their back and encouraging them and helping them along and sharing in the emotional pain, the physical pain, facing the challenges that happen in the workshops that I teach. There's a deep bond that's built between a lot of the men that work with me, and they stay around for a long time. they really feel that this is a home for them. And, a lot of clients really say that I fill that father figure role for them, because a lot of the guys I work with have absentee fathers, have had abusive fathers, have had fathers that were emotionally just aloof, or they've come from a home that they were raised in that was run by an emotionally erratic mother, grandmother, aunt, something like that. And so, dealing with emotions and dealing with their own manipulation of people is something they want to work on. I can help you with that. That's the nice guy syndrome. I work with a lot of nice guys and get them to take that skill set and not use it for manipulation, but for deeper human connection without the need to manipulate, and then get more of that masculine energy turned on for those guys, because a lot of those guys feel a little bit feminine. And then we have the ultra masculine guys who don't have much heart. They close this off. They're very sensitive. They don't want to feel emotional pain. So I help those guys with their intimacy, with their human connection, with their energetic connection, open that heart up and be much more, softer, but without you losing that masculine edge. That's another big problem with the men's personal growth community, these hippy dippy, super feminized men's coaches, so to speak, turning men into women, in my opinion. We don't do any of that shit here. You learn how to be a masculine man that has a soft side that, is still solid. So don't worry about losing your masculine edge or anything like that. The whole point of this work is to keep that masculine edge, but to soften it up here and there and play in it so that you're more holistically masculine, is what I like to say, more well-rounded, and don't have as many troubles connecting with other people as you may currently have. The other cool things about the workshops that I do is I do different workshops around the world. So if you're a guy that likes to travel, or you're a guy that may want to travel but doesn't have any friends to travel with, maybe doesn't, know what to do when it comes to traveling, I help you guys through that. There's many guys that I've worked with who have taken their first international trip when it comes to just working in one of my workshops. And they just love it. They really fall in love with the idea of traveling, especially if they never have. So that's another added bonus. The other thing with taking workshops is you, of course, have access to the Limitless Brave Private Reserve, which is my online community. And there's support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, pretty much. I'm monitoring that group all the time. So guys like to use that group to check in, use it for accountability. So guys really like to use that community after a workshop to post their wins, to use it for accountability, to ask me questions that might have come up after the workshop. So, yes, you come and take a workshop, but it doesn't end there. You have a whole ecosystem that supports you when you work with me. And I'm very attentive to all of my clients and want to make the experience of changing and living a better life a much more positive experience than it's been in the past. A lot of guys that come and work with me, this is kind of their last stop. They've worked with other coaches or mentors or guides or whatever you want to call it. And they get very frustrated. They get very turned off to the idea of personal growth because there's so many people out there that don't know what they're doing, unfortunately. And, pisses guys off. So guys usually, once they end up here, they pretty much stay here because they're getting what they want. I have a very practical way of teaching, very simplistic, very results oriented, with results that are tangible, not esoteric concepts or theories or ideas. And guys really latch onto that. And the reason they do is because we're linear thinkers. We can contemplate theory and esoteric concepts, but at the end of the day, those things don't shift our day-to-day life. And that's heavily what I focus on when I coach is how am I going to shift this guy's everyday life? I don't give a shit about theory and esoteric concepts. When you start having everything in your life that you want, sure, we can delve into that world. But that world doesn't help you necessarily get result day to day. It doesn't change your daily experience. And a lot of the workshops that I do are focused on that, changing that daily experience, getting real tangible results that every day you're like, oh yeah, my life's better because I did the workshop, or I did the online program, or I've done these practices that I learned in the workshop. So very, very powerful experiences in the workshops. And a lot of guys fear coming to workshops. And I understand why, because it's new, it's different. They're afraid of being judged. They're afraid of being seen as weak. They're afraid that their problem is unique to them. And I promise you guys, it's not. So many guys have the same problems across the board. So get here and hang out with guys who truly understand you and feel the same way you do, because a lot of them do. And yeah, we work through that stuff and make it super easy and make it not as daunting and as painful as it's been in the past for you. And yeah, so that's another added benefit of coming and taking a workshop. And one of the main things in the workshops is that there's a lot of things that you're not aware of that are going on that are affecting your everyday life. And until I point them out to you, you're going to feel like there's nothing wrong in your life. And I'm very good at picking up on manipulations and games and tricks that you play with yourselves. So yeah, really, really help you guys make that shift, see the things that you're not seeing in your own life, but you should be seeing, just because you're so used to being with yourself 24 hours a day. It's really hard to see our own patterns, our own games, all the silly things we do to sabotage ourselves. So I point all that out to you, help you see yourself in a new light, help you strip away all the masks, all the social conditioning, allow you to be more vulnerable, allow you to be more masculine, a lot more empowered and feeling powerful. When it comes to dating stuff, I've got approach workshops. I've got the Limitless, Brave, Natural Dating Workshop, which is a little bit separate from the approaching workshops, where we work on a lot of dating concepts after the approach has been made. I've got my shadow workshops, which are deep dives into the subconscious mind. And then, of course, my masculine energetic embodiment workshops, as well as some of my career and business workshops. And yeah, we cover the whole gamut for guys. We're really, taking a look over the many years that I've been doing this of what are the things that guys really care about. And a lot of what I coach is what guys really care about. And we'll get you guys moving in the right direction. A lot of guys are living lives they never thought they would be living, that they never thought were for them. But because they've come and done some workshops and stuck with me and worked through what's been holding them back, their lives are forever and permanently changed in a much better way. So that's something you can look forward to if you're really committed to working. And, my workshops are not cheap, but, they're not expensive. Expensive is when you pay too much and you don't get what you paid for. So I'd like to say my workshops are costly. But most guys who are spending money on workshops, within a couple years, they're making that money back. Some of them tenfold. I have one client that, probably spent around $100,000 with me, and he's made well over $1 million after the work that I've done with him. So yeah, it pays for itself almost. And The community's awesome. I love working with you guys. I love helping you out. I love getting you to that next level. That's really important. And getting guys out of their comfort zone, their comfort box, so to speak, and just living an awesome life. So yeah, that's pretty much it about workshops and why you should take them. I hope that I see you in one day, because you can get some major shifts and feel so much better about yourself once you take the plunge, step into a workshop. I know it's a big commitment, and there's a lot of stories and a lot of ideas that run in your mind, a lot of fears that run in your mind about joining a workshop. Is it really going to work for me? The answer is yes. So I work with you and make sure that you're getting what you came for. And of course, there's always all the follow-up support in the ecosystem here. So yeah, see you in the next workshop. And if you got any questions, put them down in the comments below, or hop in the Limitless Brave Private Reserve community and check out what everybody's doing. And I'm in there every day answering questions. So I'll talk with you at some point. Take care.